color, purple color, light green color, yellow color, deep green color, light blue color. I will use all the colors in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful ant with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture. Let's connect all the dots and see it will be a beautiful ant. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. A for ant, ant. Ant spelling is A and T, ant. This is a beautiful ant. I drew the picture, now it's time to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. I'm using here deep green color. Now I'm using red color. Red, 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 beautiful red color. Yellow color, yellow, 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 yellow color. And this is light green color. Green, 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 light green color. Now I'm using deep purple color. Purple, 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 deep purple color. And the last one I'm using light blue color. Blue, 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 light blue color. Wow, the ant is looking so cute. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.